Ayun, doon na si Daddy and si Sia.
In 1923, a young man from the American Midwest, along with his older brother Roy, started a cartoon studio in the back rooms of a small real estate office in Hollywood, California. This was the small beginning of a family entertainment company that would create unforgettable stories. Characters that become beloved friends. Wondrous experiences. That young man was Walt Disney, a master storyteller whose imagination knew no better, delighted in making the impossible possible. Disney 100, the exhibition, is a journey through 100 years of Disney. Moving forward, open up the door.
Mama! He's recording you. No. And you're like this.
Take it that way, baby. What's that? There you go. There you go, baby. The Beauty and the Beast thing. Ayan. Si Hogwarts. Nak. You see the Beauty and the Beast? Okay, take a picture. Okay, let me do it then. Old Winnie the Pooh teddy bear. Papa. Guys, this is a Snow White book. How old that is? 1937. The Prop Storybook. Ayan. This is Snow White corset. Ayan, tingnan nyo. 1937 pa yung corset na yan, guys. Ayan, oh. Very old. Nakisam na may mga ano na, oh. It's sign of aging. See, do you wanna go in? Do you wanna go to ate? No? Shoes. Pretty guys. Ayan, 2015. What are you doing? Oh, they're changing the thing. And it go there. Oh wow, that's magic. That's magic. See, you have to read it at the same time. See, look. See, it's turning the pages. Oh, it happened there as well. Well done, you see. Did
you see the butterfly moving?
Look at this mermaid costume. See, go that way now. I'll take a photo of you. And this way, look at me. Okay. Gold fork. Ayan yung fork na ano ni magic fork ni Ariel.
See how they've done the towel.
It's Ariel. And that one. And this is her spyglass.
You can see how they've done the towel. The fins, the towel fin.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, see it there this side. See it up there this side.
It's Ariel costume. lady. Who made that gown? Oh, that guy. Over there. Wow. Oh, this is to Cruella. The story of Cruella. That's the lady king. Yung nagsasariling sikap si Papa doon, oh. Swashbuckling story. That is swashbuckling story. Na ahoy, Captain. Look at this. It looks so real. Look at those baby thing. Oh wow, look. Look how they did it. That's super cute. What's his name? No, that's Han Solo's dice. No, not that. This one. This is pork. Pork puppet. Who's that captain? I forgot.
Captain Hook.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's Captain Hook, guys. Ito ang hook name Captain Hook. Ayan. Listening Tagalog ate? Is watching Moana in Tagalog.
Listen to
Yeah, hang on, please.
Where's ate? Where is she? Okay, baby. Done. Daddy, who's that person you're watching? Ate. Hi. Ate. Yo, the magic dust. Okay, done. Papa, I found your brother. I found your brother. There you go. Baby, what are you doing there?
watching.
Watching?
It's Dumbo.
It's Dumbo. Yeah, your favorite character, Dumbo. You got a Dumbo at home? Do you have a Dumbo at home, Bizia? Where is your Dumbo? Your Dumbo toy? Ate, what's going on to you?
I'm tired of watching. I'm taking a bath.
Taking a rest? Guys, look at that. They say okay. Knock, I think the Zoe, come here. I think the robot hand got a sign on it. It say that one is doing like that, like it's a help. And then okay. And that one is I don't know. So we know about hand sign. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. watching? What are you guys watching? Oh, that one up there. Let me see your face na. Oh, look at my baby's face. She's watching like a princess. Really cute. Super cute na baby. Look at ate. Look. Look at Ryan, what is he doing? You opening your mouth. That's Ryan's there. That's Ryan's. That is Ryan's pretend a bear. And this is Ryan's face. Come on, Bob, you're doing it. Look at this giant teacup. Oh, this is a Mickey Mouse thing now. Okay. Okay, go sit down. Sit down, baby. There you go. Okay, ate. Sit down there. Sit down. Where's he at? Okay. There you go. Look at me, guys. Wait a minute. Okay na.
Ready? I think I'm taking photos. Check.
Ah, it's turn around as well, ate.
Go on with dancing.
So, it's all mirrored naman dito. You see my reflection.
My shoes.
Yeah, I know. They got our shoes. You know what? Zoe's shoes, that's my shoes.
Oh.
She's wearing all my shoes now because we have the same fit now, same size.
And they glow in the dark. Like
Yeah, because she got a neon one. Ayam nak, there we go, Mickey Mouse.
Whatever you get that, it changed.
Ah, it changed, okay. Yeah.
I don't want
Ayam, Moana, baby. Come on, look, go to Moana then. Close to Moana. Oh, there you go, baby. Are you watching closely? Nice. It's just a wall. Ayan. Ayan na si Papa, oh. He's enjoying himself as well. Right next to Mami, ganyan na si Zoe katangkad, guys. As in, ano ko na siya, nandito na sa may kilay ko. Ayan. Ayan na si ate. Tangkad na si ate. Take a photo with Mama. Then,
Guys, so
I know. Oh yeah, we can see ours 3 times.
So there you can see our back.
Yeah. So ayan, guys. Oh, Haley, where's the Body Works? Where's the Body Works? It used to be here?
No, that's Piccadilly Circus.
Is it still there?
No, that's gone now.
Alright. Because we experienced to go to the exhibit of the, you know, the real dead body, as in nakalagay sila sa formalin. Na-experience namin makita yung mga patay ng mga tao. Yung utak, buong katawan, nakababad sa formalin. Ano yun, parang When did we go to the Body Works? Maybe 4 years ago. Dito yun sa London. But ngayon wala na daw. They take off yung exhibit nila dito. They call it Body Works. Ang brave ng mga anak ko kasi noon dati hindi sila natatakot. Hinahawakan pa nila yung yung glass. Yung glass ay kitang-kita mo talaga. Mata, utak, everything. What's how the body works. So that's why they call the exhibit called the Body Works. Ayun. Ngayon dito naman kami sa Disney. Are you guys tired? Baba. About. Baby? Are you chillaxing there?
I'm watching.
You watching? Kaarte naman nanonood na to. Doon ang layo-layo ng pinapanood, tapos nandito siya sa gilid. Kamusta naman si Madam? Nakapay daw si ini. See it properly. Is it hard to see there? Oh wow. I take a photo of you, baby. Dan. Look at me, mama. Yeah, look at mommy. Guys, si ate, nagdo-drawing si ate. Look at that. Si Sia din, just tracing.
Wait. Get back on the place. Get hold of it.
Order it into.
Well, we could, once you download it, you can email it to us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And then can you print it for me in a canvas? White canvas. Wow, ate, you done? Let me see closely.
Wait, I'm not finished.
Okay. Galing talaga ni ate. Master kasi ni ate talaga ang pagdodrawing. Papakita ko sa inyo one time kung gaano siya kagaling mag-drawing ng
It looks the same.
human.
It looks the
Yes,
same.
he is
It's
not.
like
But then
Photoshop.
you draw better than that without tracing. Arin yung anak. Now put your drawing on in front of you. Alright. Look at mommy. Yay.
I want to do something different.
Show me the drawing, baby.
Did, yeah.
Look at me, I'll take a photo. Look at me. Show me. Oy. Naman, punta tayo dito sa shop kung anong mabibili nating souvenir. Ayan, mga Disney shirts. Meron. After nito, pupunta kami sa, Seafoods restaurant. And that's one that you're drawing, don't you?
Kind of.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, that one. Baby, you're blending in. Where are you, baby? You're blending in. Go back there. Go back. Oh, wait a minute, ate. Wait. Oh, wow. You guys blending in on that color. Ayan guys, tapos na kami dito sa exhibit. Ayan, VIP collection point there na mga thing. There's Goofy, isn't it?
Turn around then, girls.
Sammy, look.
Siya, baby. It's still so bright out here. Tapos na kami guys. Tingnan nyo, grabe ang daming tao dito. Mga nakakostume mga tao dito talaga. So, ang dami mga nakakostume. Ayan. Cosplay. Guys, tingnan nyo, mga nakakostume sila. Ayan. Ganda. Pauwi na kami. Tapos ng aming viewing sa exhibit. Punta naman kami ngayon sa restaurant. Kami ni Papang para kami nagde-date. Tapos yung mga anak namin nandun na sa tiyahin. Holding hands lang. Holding hands while walking.